Good, wonderful Wednesday morning, everyone. I hope everyone had a great Tuesday afternoon. As soon as you listen to this message, check out your wonder for today. When responding, use detail in your answer. Be ready to share at 8:30 this morning. Reminder, I've only received responses from Francis, Maripaz, and Anastasia as to their top three for the project of the week. I have assigned their quote. I need to have your top three today, so get those to me by the end of the day. At 9:45, we'll go over vocabulary and skills you will be taught for our story because of Winn-Dixie. And at 10:45, we will look over the homework of yesterday lesson on place value. At 11:45, we will spend 30 minutes on IXL diagnostic. Remember, this diagnostic is to help me to understand where you are as individual students in your learning. So let's make it a great Wednesday. I'll see you at 8:30.